Hello everyone, welcome again to the channel, and this is another video to show you how to use the Excel sheets that are available on the website. The file today we are gonna be reviewing is related to as part of the merger and acquisition reading from the corporate finance section of level 2, and it's related to the bootstrapping effects. The link to the actual reading so the summary that we have written is available under the video, and it's available on the website, so if you would like to understand it in detail. So the bootstrapping effect occurs when the shares of the acquirer trade at a higher price than those of the target, and the acquirer's price to earning ratio doesn't decline following the merger. And the actual step that we'll have to do is basically we'll try to find the total number of shares to be issued for the acquirer to acquire the target. After that, we need to find the total shares of both companies, which is going to be the sum basically of the total number of shares. We'll have to find the total earnings of both companies based on those two figures, the total number of shares and total earnings. We can find the post-merger EPS. Depending on that, we will find the price to earning ratio, and then depending on market efficiency, we'd be able to find the post-merger price. So let's look at an example that will show us how what is exactly meant by it. So if we are given the following schedule for the acquirer and the target with the following data about stock prices, EPS, price to earning, outstanding shares, total earnings, and market value, we'd like to find the total number of shares to be issued, the post-merger EPS, the post-merger price to earning, and the post-merger price. And if we go to the Excel sheet that we have, and we should enable the content because it's macro enabled. So if we go do that and we click on the bootstrapping effect file, all it have to do is to enter the information that we have: 100 for the stock price, 4 for the EPS, 25 for the price earning, and 100,000 for the outstanding shares. This shows us the total earning and the market value, which are also given in the question, and this confirms that those are the right numbers. So for the target, the stock price is 50, the EPS is 2.5, the price earning is 20, and the total number of shares is 50,000. Once we have entered all the information that we have, we'll have a summary of the results here, which shows us that for the acquirer to acquire the target, they would have to issue 25,000 shares, and then the total number of shares post-merger would be basically the sum of 100,000 and 25,000. The total earnings is simply the sum of both earnings based on those two measures, dividing the total earnings by the total number of shares. We have a post-merger EPS of 4.2. And then we have a post-merger price earning assuming weighted average of earnings. So basically, if we take a weighted average of the total number of the earnings and multiply it by the price earnings, so in this case 400,000 divided by the sum of 400,000 and 125,000 multiplied by 25, doing the same for the target, dividing 125,000 by 525,000 and then multiplying it by 20, we'll find a specific price earning, and in that case it's going to be 23.81. This is what would happen actually if the market is efficient, and then the post-merger price, assuming weighted average of earning, is still going to be 100, which is still as the pre-merger price. However, if markets are not efficient and the pre-merger price earning is the one that's gonna stick after the merger, so if the post-merger price earning is still 25, then what happens to the post-merger price? It's increased to 105, which is $5 higher than the original stock price, which is the bootstrapping effect that we are referring to. This is the summary of all the results for the information that we were trying to find. This is it for the bootstrapping effect. If you have any questions, please make sure to email me on my website, on my email that's on the website, and please make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and to follow us on the blog in order to get notified about every post that gets posted there. Make sure to also follow us on our social networks, on our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, in order to participate in the daily CFA trivia. Thank you a lot for listening, and goodbye.